What's the meaning of ascetic? Ascetic. Ascetic.
Ascetic. Ascetic. Ascetic refers to a lifestyle characterized by self-discipline and abstinence from material indulgences. It is often associated with religious or spiritual practices that emphasize the importance of detachment from worldly possessions and desires. The result of an ascetic lifestyle can vary depending on the individual's goals, but it typically involves a heightened sense of spiritual awareness, inner peace, and a simpler way of life. Some may find this way of living fulfilling, while others may struggle with the strict discipline required to maintain it.